guys, so tonight I got some people coming over for UFC. I got some fights going on. It's Saturday night. I was just gonna do a video and show you guys how I was just gonna cook a bunch of food up for my friends coming over. I'm gonna do some smash burgers on the Blackstone. I got some chicken wings. I got the whole wings. I'm not even gonna cut up. I'm just gonna throw them on the grill. But I figured I'd just record this and show you guys. Just an excuse to get drunk and make a video. So hopefully you guys like it. So all the stuff I'm making is pretty self-explanatory. There's really not much to explain. I'm making some burgers on the flat top, just salt and pepper, really easy. I'm gonna saute some onions on there and then do some American cheese. And then with the wings, I'm just getting a hot fire on the Weber kettle. I'm just gonna get a nice char on there, not too much. I don't wanna burn them up too much, but then I'm gonna sear them and then throw them off to the indirect heat and just cook them up like that. And I might do a sauce, I might just leave them plain how they are. Just depends how much stuff I got going on, so. Check this out. All right, so I went to Sam's Club. I got this big old thing of ground beef. 80-20, ground chuck. Probably not gonna use all this. Gonna roll them into like 3-ounce patties and just smash them on the Blackstone. 2 packs of chicken wings. Gonna leave them whole. And just grill them up on the Weber kettle, like I said. Then when you're making mac and cheese, you need a bunch of cheese. This is for the burgers. And when you're making a roux for the mac and cheese, you're gonna need some butter, some milk, some flour, and a bunch of macaroni. All right, so we got our macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna do real quick. 2 pounds of macaroni. Just gonna mix that around in some salted water. And then I got 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And we're gonna melt that down and add in the flour. You wanna use a 1-to-1 ratio on that. I kinda eyeballed it. I probably should have done a better job with that, but you just wanna make sure it gets thick on you and cook out the flour flavor. And I ended up using about a half gallon of milk. And you want to just cook it until it gets thick. And then when you add in your cheese, you want to kill the heat or else turn it down really super low so you don't burn anything up. But just add it in and melt it and make sure you get the consistency that you want. I probably should have seasoned this a lot more than I did. I just put a little bit of salt right there. Whatever you see right there is all I put in with some black pepper. And I was tasting it along the way and it seemed like it was all right when I was tasting it, but actually it was super bland. I mean, people were cool about it. No one really said nothing, but I really wasn't digging it too much. But we got the smoked Gouda and the medium cheddar. Just grating it up. Then, like I said, kill the heat, throw it in, get a nice thick cheese sauce. Then you got your mac and cheese. All right, guys, there it is. There's your mac and cheese. Got some caramelized onions. Got this charred chicken wings and some cheeseburgers. Just figured I'd make this quick video for you guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.